Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to execute Linux commands or scripts on suppress mode or on silent mode. So if I type ls, as you can see, it displays the result on the screen. So let's say if somehow you don't want to display the result on the screen. Let's say this command is inside the script and you want to execute the script on silent mode and you don't want to display the result on the screen. So you can achieve this by forwarding the result of any script or command into dev/null. So if I hit enter, it's in the root directory. So I will do this. As you can see, it does not display the result. Now we can forward any commands output to this. So let's try this with the script. So I will use an editor and create a test.sh script. So and let's say I'm just creating and displaying the content of hello.txt, which is in the current directory txt. And if I save this and let's execute that, so execute bash test.sh. As you can see, it displays the content of that file which is in the current directory. So now let's say I want to execute the script on silent mode. So just write bash test.sh and then forward the result to dev/null. Now if I hit enter, as you can see, it displays anything. So it actually forwards the echo statements into null and does not display them in the output screen. And the best use case of suppressing the standard output messages is on the cron jobs execution, where you want to execute the cron jobs on daily basis, but you don't want to echo or write those messages to anywhere. So this is pretty useful over there. You can always execute the cron jobs and forward the output of that job to dev/null, so it will does not display anything on the log file. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.